Hi, this is Natasha from Goldstream. Today we talk about the right nutrition during periods, the things we're supposed to avoid and the things we're supposed to follow. Right nutrition plays a very important role when your menstrual cycle is going on. Poor diet can counter muscle pain, uncomfortable bloating, headaches, and poor digestion. The second most important thing is for you to know that you really need to hydrate yourself enough. You have to have a lot of water during the day, and as soon as you wake up, have a glass of warm water. That will really help you. There is a myth that states that you cannot exercise while on your periods. Absolutely not. In fact, exercises helps with blood circulation, improvises headache, improvises the poor digestion and bloating that you have. So you can definitely exercise while on your periods. There are certain nutritional requirements that you have while you are on your periods. So includes fruits, vegetables, nuts and seeds in your diet. There are certain things that you have to avoid while you are on your periods. One of the things are caffeine and alcohol. It is not advisable for you to have caffeine or alcohol while on your periods. Also avoid painkillers while you're on your periods because that really doesn't help you in the long run. In fact, you should try including more exercises that can really help you. Avoid oily food, cheesy, greasy food while you're on your periods. Include more of greens, fruits as I've mentioned before. That will help you a lot more. Do not deprive yourself of sleep. It is very important for you to rest and sleep for 8 hours at least.